Look what we have here. It's Puppy's Playhouse. But where's Puppy? Maybe he's hiding inside. Let's find out. Nope, no Puppy here. Where else could he be hiding? Could he be hiding in Dino's tummy? Let's find out. Nope, no Puppy here. Is there anywhere else Puppy could be hiding? Yeah, maybe he's hiding in this car. Look who we found. It's Puppy. And look, there's so many things for Puppy to do in this playhouse. Here's a red slide. And look, we have a tree we can spin. Here's some musical notes. And we have numbers to press. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4. And look, we have holes to put shapes in. Here's a red circle. What's this? It's a purple square. Here's a blue triangle. And our last shape is a yellow star. Oh my gosh! Look what we have here! So many building blocks! I wonder what we can build with these blocks. Let's put them together and find out. What did we build? It's a hamburger turtle.
Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the dog takes the cat takes the mouse, the cat takes the mouse. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cat takes the mouse.
Funnest toys.
Red circle. Orange star. Purple heart. Green square. Whoa, so cool! We have coins we can put in our piggy bank. How many coins do we have? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 coins. Whoa, so many squishy fruits. Let's feed our frog friend. Whoa, awesome! We have building blocks. Let's see what we can build with these building blocks. It's an airplane.
Funnest toys.
Blue. Pink. Red. Orange. Yellow. Purple. Green. Blue. Blue. Green. Yellow. Blue. Green. Red. Purple. Yellow. Red hammer. Green. Blue. Red. Yellow. Green. Red. Yellow. Yellow. Blue. Blue hammer. Blue. Yellow. Red.
Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Skip to my loo, my darling.
Red. Orange. Yellow. Green. Blue.
Partner, love is true.
Purple.
Found my partner,
Pink.
love is true. Found
Pink.
my partner, love is true. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo, skip to my loo. Loo, skip to my loo. Loo, skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Funnest toys.